Hey you guys, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel, or if you're returning, then welcome back to my channel. We made it! We made it! I'm officially 1 year locked, and I am so excited. I'm so happy to be here. I am just like, yo, that year went by quick. Like, it went by kind of quick, no lie. And I am just, first off, I just want to thank all of you guys, because you guys have literally been here since I first put my locks in. I know that there are some of you that have been on my channel since I first put my locks in 1 year ago. You have been keeping up with my journey, and so I feel like we are all here together. So thank you so much for just being supportive. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos, watching my videos, follow me on Instagram. Thank you for all of that support, because that's what really kept me motivated to keep going and keep posting and keeping you guys updated, was because I knew that there are people out there that are in this journey with me, who are interested in my journey, who want to follow along. So thank you so much first off for that. Yeah, let's just get into this update. It's not going to be too long. You guys know I did my 11-month update last month, so not that much has changed from my 11 months, but I just wanted to go ahead and first just thank you guys. So we're 1 year locked, we are in the game. So as you guys can see, I did just get my hair retwisted. I actually went to a professional loctician. I recorded the whole process of me getting my hair retwisted. So if you guys want to see that process of me going to the loctician and what that was like, that video should already be up on my channel. If it's not up yet, then it should be up in like the next day or two. But yeah, we're looking good, we're feeling good. Like I said, I'm not gonna make this video too long, but this is more so a thank you. This is a congratulations to myself, a congratulations to anyone else that has been on this journey around the same date as I have. We have made it a year. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and make sure that you like this video if you enjoy it. Liking and subscribing is really what helps us Black content creators get seen on YouTube. So please subscribe, please like this video. But let's go ahead and move into the close-up. So as far as what's going on with my hair, what it's looking like, I'm definitely gonna plug in some clips of when we first put my locks in versus now, so you guys can just kind of see. But like I kind of mentioned in my 11-month update, it's just thickness. The category is body. The category is thickness because, honey, I feel like, and I know I don't, but because my hair has become thicker, because my hair has become more full, it feels like I have more locks in my head. Now, I have the same amount that I had in the beginning, but I think just because my hair is starting to fill out and my locks are starting to get thicker, that I don't feel like my locks just look as spaced out and thin. Like, it definitely feels fuller. I feel like I have more locks in my hair, even though I don't. But that's a good feeling. I like that feeling, because I didn't want to be feeling like scraggly or like I was missing locks or anything. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That pretty much concludes my video. I just wanted to hop on here, say hi, show you guys my hair. I'll have more videos to come very soon. So thank you again for the congratulations on my 1 year. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and make sure that you like this video if you enjoy it. You guys have a great rest of your day or the rest of your night, depending on what time it is, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, you guys.